For this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to search in Google local listings that are outside of your local area. So to get started, the easiest way to do this is with a Chrome extension called Location Guard. If we do a search here, click on it, and then we can add it to Chrome, add extension. Now, we're going to see this right here is Location Guard. It's going to walk us through just a quick demo on how to use it. It's going to ask your browser when you click on it, and here it's going to just show you where your location is. So we're fine, we'll hit close. And I'm just going to walk you through some of the basic settings. You want to switch this to used fixed location. And right now we're in some distant far off island, but let's say we want to go and we'll go into Utah here and click on Utah. And now what we need to do is with our fixed location, let's go into Google. Let's say we search something pretty local as home decor. And if you see here, you'll still see that it shows my location here in Hawaii. And what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way to the bottom. And here we'll click on Use Precise Location and Update Location. And then we're going to refresh it. And now we'll see when we go to the top that we are in Utah. So again, install the extension, set the settings to fixed location, and then once you do that, you need to go to the bottom and click on Precise Location and then refresh your browser. And that's it.